students, I am Monica from IELTS 9. I am here to help you all. So this reading was part of 27 July 2024. Questions may differ, but reading was relating to the science of sleep or sleep cycle or sleep kind of thing. But basically the important word was there, REM kind of thing was there. It means this was the reading only. So you can see this, there are four types of question. First type of question here is true false not given. Second is complete the sentences given below. Third type of question we have multiple choice question, and one type of question is also there, I will show you. And the last type of question we have which passage contains or includes the information below. Okay, so let's start with first type of question. Here four types of questions are there. If you want to do this question first, you can do it with the help of this question, which section or which passage includes the information below. With the help of this question, you can easily go through full passage. Then you can do your true false not given and this. But if you ask me, then definitely I will start my reading from first type of question. Till the time we will reach to this question, we already will be aware about where are these sleeping habits and repetition, cycle is there, brain activity is there, and dangers of sleep deprivation. Okay, so these four questions we can easily find it at the end. Let's start with true false not given. So I would request you to do practice with me. So first type of question we have true false not given. So how to do true false not given? Definitely I will read this statement, I will try to understand the meaning and come out with 2 or 3 keywords. So it was once thought that biological functions slowed down when we sleep. Okay, when we sleep, biological function, and it was once thought. It may but I think these two words they can't change, and this may be changed over there. Although I have done this reading before 6-7 months before. Okay, so everything I can't remember. You also try to do it. After 1 month you will not remember any answers and all. So this is my keyword. And second also we can read it, when suffering from a medical issue, teenagers experience less sleep loss than adults. Okay, these are also keywords. Let's read first paragraph. So I was asking you to do practice with me. Okay, so first, this is my first paragraph, and we are looking for biological functions and when we sleep, and it was once thought. Means old idea may be there. Scientists and medical professionals still have a lot to learn about the process of sleep, just like they do about many other aspects of the body. The idea that is also entirely the body entirely slows down when sleeping has been disapproved. Instead, it is not known that body's primary organs and regulatory systems, such as lungs, this actively to function actively throughout sleep. This is a common reason why getting insufficient sleep reduces the body's natural immunity. Okay, we are looking for, it was once thought that the biological functions. So I think they are talking about, these are the functions, body, primary organs and regulatory system slow down when we sleep. Okay, the idea that the body entirely slows down when sleeping has been disapproved. Okay, so it means you just think about this statement. I have given you the location, now decide your answer. Here they are saying it was once thought that biological functions slow down when we sleep, but here the idea that the body entirely slows down is given. Slows down when we sleep, when sleeping has been disapproved. It means now it has been disapproved, but once it was thought. The idea was it was once thought. It means this is true. Read it again. I have given you the location of this question statement. Read it again please, from here to here. Now second question, when suffering from medical issue, teenagers and adults, we have to find this paragraph. Nothing is there about teenagers and all. Let's move to B paragraph. Here also certain systems may, no, this is, no, everything we have got about first question. Now coming to C paragraph, here no, teenagers I can see, adults also I can see. Now what we are looking for the statement, when suffering from a medical issue, teenagers experience less sleep loss than adults. Okay, while while it is true that babies require 16 hours of sleep compared to teenagers and adults who require 9 hours and 8 hours of sleep respectively, this does not imply the older individuals require less sleep. What is true is, though, is that people frequently receive less sleep or perceive sleep, they spend less. No, I don't think so. They have described anything about when suffering from a medical issue and they experience less sleep loss. So this is not given. You can read the entire paragraph. I have shown it to you. C paragraph, and this is the question. Now coming to third number question. The depth of our sleep deepens during the night. The depth of our sleep deepens during the night. Let's find this night word and deepens and depth. So here in this paragraph they are talking about, this is due to the fact that as people age they spend less time in deep restorative sleep and more vulnerable to waking up suddenly. Moreover, sleep disorders like these are the problems they are talking about. Now here they are not talking about night. Here I can see this night word. So we were looking for the depth of our sleep deepens during the night. Here it takes more than simply laying our head on the pillow at night and waking up in the morning to get a decent night's sleep. Your sleep occurs in cycles during the course of the night, alternating between deep restorative sleep and more awake dream, including stages. So it means the depth of our sleep deepens during night. So only deepens they have given, but here alternating between deep and these things. So it means this is not true, this is false. Pause the screen and you can just find the answer. Now fourth, heart issues. So heart issues they were talking here, and but yes, surprisingly questions we can in true false not given. 99% it is in the order, but here this question, this location here I can see here, and this third number was here at night kind of thing. So let's read. Heart issues and other illness might result from insufficient sleep. Okay, moreover sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea and heart issues are more prevalent in older persons. Heart issues and might result from insufficient sleep. Might result from sleep disorders they have given, this is due to the fact they spend less time in deep and all. So can we just put it true, or if somewhere we are getting, because same words they have given and other illness might result from in okay, here it is given might, but here it is given are more prevalent in older persons. So this is confusing one. So I can, no, but here they are talking about older person also. Might is also there, here it is given might, here are more prevalent in older persons. So we can go for false also, but at the end I will show you the answers, but note I will just show I will write all answers in description. Now let's see, complete the sentences given below, choose no more than 2 words. Okay, so first here, reduced dash can be a benefit of REM sleep. REM sleep, it is in next paragraph. So here the words before and after the blanks are also helpful sometimes in getting correct answers. Some reduction is there, can be a benefit of REM sleep. Okay, let's move to next paragraph. So in this paragraph we are looking for REM sleep. So we are looking for any benefit. So let's read it. When you dream and okay, this rapid eye movement, when you dream and noel rapid movement, sleep are two unique separate stages of sleep patterns. Cycles 5 minutes to an hour. During these cycles your body becomes more active with an increase in heartbeat, blood pressure and brain activity. Brain activity and heartbeat, blood pressure, breathing becomes rapid, shallow and irregular. Your fingers and toes may twitch. your body temperature may vary and you may sweat or shiver even your majority muscles. Okay, but here they are not talking about any benefit kind of thing. Next paragraph we can see this sleep according to research is crucial for your brain. It is at its busiest during the daytime, resolving stress and processing memories and emotions. Resolving here means reduced, so reduced can be a benefit of REM. It is busiest during this daytime, resolving stress, processing memories and emotions. The part of the brain used for learning, acquiring new skills are active. It means this is, they are talking about benefits. So here we can just write reduced stress. Okay, 6 number question. So next question 6, similar to those absorbed when awake are present during REM sleep. Okay, similar to those, what they are, here they are talking about something different. It means same in this. Okay, in, so here they were talking this, here we have got 5th number location. Here in this we can get, in actuality the brain waves absorbed during REM sleep are comparable to those absorbed during wakefulness. Similar to those, yes, word, same word is there. When awake during wakefulness dash are present during REM sleep. Okay, the brain waves absorbed. So how they have paraphrased, similar to those absorbed when awake are comparable to those absorbed during wakefulness. When awake is already given, so brain waves we can write, we can, because here it is given clearly the brain waves absorbed during REM sleep. So brain waves we can just write. Now 7th, it takes little effort to be, now next paragraph we have to go. So here next, stage 1 I am looking NREM, it is given stage 1 is here. So let's read it what they want. It takes little effort to be dashed during stage 1 sleep. Okay, as you progress through the NREM stages, your body will likewise become less active. Okay, functioning the opposite way from REM sleep. When you are about to nod off is stage 1 of sleep, usually lasting 5 to 10 minutes. You can easily woken up during this time. In stage, now they have started talking about stage 2. It means here answer is there, you can easily woken up. Easily means takes little effort to be woken, we can write woken. Okay, so now next one, 8th, awakening unexpectedly from a deep sleep may result in awakening. So let's read it. Awakening unexpectedly from a deep sleep. Okay, let's find this deep sleep is here. See this. Uh, you are in stage 2 of a light sleep. Yes. So we were looking for deep sleep may result in. So it is may is also there. So you can read it. Deep sleep word is here. But we are looking for result which prepares the body for stage 4 where you have trouble waking up or unconscious. At this point sleep talking, sleep walking are possible. The most are possible, but here we can't write so many things. 3 words are not allowed, only 2 words are allowed. The most crucial phase for your body, your brain stopped immediately and is healing. Your major muscles receive a blood flow redirection from your brain, helping them to repair any harm. Might word is here, may result is here. See this. So I will just show it like that. Might be disorienting to be abruptly awakened from stage. So abruptly awakening unexpectedly from a deep sleep may result in disorienting. So if you write disorienting, then it will be wrong. So here we have to write disorientation. Okay, so we have to write word according to the sentence. Here it was different, disorienting, but we have to write disorientation. Now multiple choice question. Now multiple choice question, here we have to choose how many? Two options. out of 5. Choose your answers from A to E and enter your answers in boxes 9 to 10 in either order, and answer can be given multiple choice question. This we have recognized this. So the question is REM sleep. So we know this, we have already read this paragraph, REM sleep. So here many things are given. So let's read it. Is more typical among young people. When we dream, may make extremities move independently each night, last about an hour when the brain is at its most stage. Okay, let's read the option where REM sleep paragraph is there. So REM sleep is given. See this, when you dream, see this, when we dream, it is clearly given. It is easy to find these kinds of answers. REM sleep was the statement. When we dream and Noel rapid eye movement sleep are two, it means we can select this option. Are two unique separate stages of sleep patterns every night, typical experience. Each sleep cycles, each lasting from 5 minutes to over an hour, each night last about an hour. So here it is given from 5 to, so this is wrong. During these cycles your body becomes more active. Is more typical among young people is not given. With an increase in heartbeat, blood pressure, brain activity, breathing becomes rapid, shallow and breathing, they are not talking about breathing may make you extremely more independently, no. So let's read it. Becomes rapid, shallow and irregular. Your fingers and toes may twitch, your body temperature may vary, your extremities, external thing move independently, may vary, and you may sweat or shiver if your major muscles typically do not move. When the brain, so they are not talking about with an increase in heartbeat, blood pressure and brain activity, breathing becomes rapid. When the brain is at most at ease, no, it is also opposite, this is also wrong. So this is also wrong, so we can select this one, because here it is given may make your extremities move independently, may vary, your body temperature may vary. So this will come, this is matching with this. Okay, now we have read full reading passage. We can easily find these which paragraph contains the following information. Generations, variations, they were talking in second paragraph where they were talking about teenagers and adults. So I will show you location. See this, here they are talking about teenagers and adults, they are talking about sleeping habits. So why not we select generation, variations in sleeping habits. This will come with C number paragraph. This is C. So next they are talking about resources are diverted resulting in reduced brain activity. So brain activity they were talking in here also brain activity, but they are asking you resources are diverted resulting in reduced brain activity. So here with an increase in brain activity, so this is not the paragraph we are looking. Let's read this. According to research is crucial for your brain. It is at its busiest during this time, resulting resolving stress and processing. So it is busiest. So we are looking for resources are diverted resulted in reduced brain activity. So in another paragraph also they were talking about, I have just read somewhere, brain activity here also. So brain is also here. See this in this G paragraph. Brain has stopped immediately. See this. It means this is also doctor. They are talking about brain also. It means we can select this G number paragraph. Resulting in reduced brain activity. Now cycle is repeated. This I don't think so. We have read dangers of. Now two paragraphs are left. We can read it. H and I paragraph. So here deep sleep to light stage 2 sleep, then into REM sleep. Before the cycle repeats word is here. See this, the cycle is repeated, so we can just mark it H. And this dangers of sleep deprivation. So last paragraph, sleep debt occurs when you consistently get less sleep than you require each night, only 1 hour. It could cost you means problems in the form of daytime sleepiness, difficulty So these things they are talking here, dangers of accumulated sleep deprivation. So last paragraph is this.